You have a choice for heating and air conditioning. This winter, rely on Ace and A. We'll do whatever it takes to keep you warm, because with Bryant, our entire business is your total comfort. For 31 years with the same hands-on owner, Ace and A has built its reputation one customer at a time, with quality work and emergency 24-hour service after the sale you won't find anywhere else.
Maintenance, service, and new equipment installation. Your comfort is our business. Make the right choice. Give Ace and A a call today.
Ace and A Heating and Air. Call today.